In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect microphone to Denon receiver. First, I want to make it very clear that while this is possible, it isn't going to be specifically straightforward. Connecting a standard microphone for voice recording or karaoke to a Denon receiver, like I said, is not going to be always straightforward. This is because AV receivers are primarily designed for home theater audio, not live microphone input. So I'm going to showcase one particular method that might work depending on the options that you have available for you, but I'm still going to give you general advice on how to proceed about doing this. So the most common scenario and how you might connect a microphone will look like this. As you can see, this one uses a digital to analog converter. It connects this fine microphone receiver to the TV and then consequently the fine to the Denon receiver. So essentially, you will have the Denon connected to a TV with a digital to analog converter, and the microphones will be available here. So another general scenario is connecting a microphone for karaoke or general usage. Because they don't have the dedicated microphone inputs with preamplification, you will likely need an intermediary device like a mixer. This is going to be the most common and recommended method. So you connect the microphones to the inputs of the mixer, connect the output of the mixer to one of the analog audio inputs on your Denon receiver, turn on the mixer, adjust the gain and volume levels, and select the corresponding analog input on the Denon receiver. If you want to use it in conjunction with a TV, like I said before, you will most likely use a digital to analog converter like this one. There are plenty of options available on places like Amazon, and as long as you are able to convert the audio and finish the sequence using the Denon receiver, you will be able to connect them all together. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect microphone to Denon receiver. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.